Refusal was not the end of work. It is work escaping its shadow.
I can see that you like Barcelona better than Paris. Right?
You think I like Barcelona better than Paris? Why?
I don't know. The energy.
My energy is giving love for the city. I do like Barcelona. Speaking of, good morning from Barcelona. Oh, I'm out of breath. We arrived yesterday, and we went to the screening of a film that I worked on. If you are an oldie, you probably know. It's from about a year ago, I think. It was so nice to see it. It's at a fair here in Barcelona called Loop. It's so nice to see it come alive and see my name in the rolling credits. Such a pity that we actually have very limited time to explore the city because work needs to be done. But we're gonna do a little bit of that. But guys, I just wanna say Kaperisha, Ki Hateti, Ki Tweriki Engza. And the petwe in nerves because it's actually, I know I make it look easy, but it's actually very hard to be doing all of this hopping around with a very busy schedule and also needing to stay on top of work. So I'm a little bit anxious about the work that's falling through the cracks. But Barcelona is a very pretty city. I like it. I like the vibes. I like the energy. We are going there. Okay. We walk. Yeah. Your outfit actually is very fitting.
Yeah, I know. I like rock and roll.
Dove sei venuto?
Qua è lontano, che pensi?
Follow me back.
I'm about to try sea urchins for the first time.
Sorry, the price of one...
No, ma questo qua non è che picchieravano il ghiaccio, è proprio questo mito. Ma quello è un era zuccato.
Oh, paella. I want paella.
I stole another blanket.
Adesso prendiamo le empanadas. Prendi poi le empanadas.